Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today we are going to read a chapter from our Marigold book of class 5. The chapter name is Rip Van Winkle. So let's start reading. This story is about Rip Van Winkle,
This story is about Rip Van Winkle,
a good-natured but lazy man
a good-natured but lazy man
who goes away into the hills
who goes away into the hills
and falls asleep.
and falls asleep.
When he awakens 20 years later,
When he awakens 20 years later,
Rip finds that
Rip finds that
quite a few things have changed.
quite a few things have changed.
Many years ago,
Many years ago,
at the foothills of the Catskill Mountains,
at the foothills of the Catskill Mountains,
was a little village.
was a little village.
In the village lived a simple,
In the village lived a simple,
good-natured fellow
good-natured fellow
named Rip Van Winkle.
named Rip Van Winkle.
He was a kind neighbor,
He was a kind neighbor,
ready to help anyone.
ready to help anyone.
Everyone in the village liked him.
Everyone in the village liked him.
The children of the village shouted with joy
The children of the village shouted with joy
whenever they saw him,
whenever they saw him,
because he played with them.
because he played with them.
He taught them to fly kites
He taught them to fly kites
and shoot marbles
and shoot marbles
and told them long stories.
and told them long stories.
The only problem with Rip was
The only problem with Rip was
that he was very lazy.
that he was very lazy.
He did no work on his own farm
He did not work on his own farm
and just idled away his time.
and just idled away his time.
His fences were falling to pieces.
His fences were falling to pieces.
His cow was going astray.
His cow was going astray.
Weeds grew on his farm.
Weeds grew on his farm.
Rip's constant companion was his dog,
Rip's constant companion was his dog,
named Wolf.
named Wolf.
To avoid work,
To avoid work,
he would walk away into the forest
he would walk away into the forest
with his dog.
with his dog.
One day,
One day,
Rip just walked on and on
Rip just walked on
and reached the highest part of the mountains.
and reached the highest part of the mountains.
It was late in the afternoon
It was late in the afternoon
when he reached there.
when he reached there.
Tired after his long climb,
Tired after his long climb,
he lay down and began daydreaming.
he lay down and began daydreaming.
It was soon evening,
It was soon evening,
and he realized it would be night
and he realized it would be night.
by the time he reached his village.
By the time he reached the village,
Suddenly,
suddenly
he heard a voice calling out,
he heard a voice calling out,
"Rip Van Winkle!
Rip Van Winkle!
Rip Van Winkle!"
Rip Van Winkle!
He looked around
He looked around
and saw a short old man
and saw a short old man
with thick hair and a grizzled beard
with thick hair and a grizzled beard,
walking towards him with a barrel.
walking towards him with a barrel.
He made signs to help him carry the barrel.
He made signs to help him carry the barrel.
Rip hurried to help the stranger,
Rip hurried to help the stranger,
who caught his hand tightly.
to hold his hand tightly.
Together they reached a place
Together they reached a place
where there were some more odd-looking men
where there were some more odd-looking men
ninepins.
playing ninepins.
They were all dressed the same way,
They were all dressed the same way,
and all of them had beard
and all of them had beards
of various shapes and colors.
of various shapes and colors.
Even though they were playing a game,
Even though they were playing a game,
their faces were serious
their faces were serious
and there was silence.
and there was silence.
The only sound was the noise of the balls,
The only sound was the noise of the balls,
which echoed in the mountains like thunder.
which echoed in the mountains like thunder.
As Rip and his companion reached them,
As Rip and his companion reached them,
they stopped playing
they stopped playing
and stared at Rip with a fixed gaze.
and stared at Rip with a fixed gaze.
Rip was really frightened.
Rip was really frightened.
His companion emptied
His companion emptied
the contents of the barrel into glasses
the content of the barrel into glasses
and made Rip drink it.
and made Rip drink it.
Rip obeyed
Rip obeyed
as he was trembling with fear.
as he was trembling with fear.
Since he was thirsty,
Since he was thirsty,
he drank a few more glasses
he drank a few more glasses
and slowly fell into a deep sleep.
and slowly fell into a deep sleep.
On waking up,
On waking up,
he found that
he found that
he was at the place
he was at the place
where he had first met the old man.
where he had first met the old man.
He rubbed his eyes.
He rubbed his eyes.
It was a bright sunny morning.
It was a bright sunny morning.
Surely,
Surely,
I have not slept here all night,
I have not slept here all night,
thought Rip.
thought Rip.
He looked around for Wolf,
He looked around for Wolf,
but he was nowhere.
but he was nowhere.
Rip whistled for him.
Rip whistled for him.
Wolf!
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 He then shouted.
He then shouted.
No dog was to be seen.
No dog was to be seen.
Where had the dog gone?
Where has the dog gone?
He muttered to himself.
He muttered to himself.
He began to descend the mountain
He began to descend the mountain
to go back to his village.
to go back to his village.
As he neared the village,
As he neared the village,
he met a number of people,
he met a number of people,
but he didn't know any of them.
but he didn't know any of them.
The villagers also stared at him,
The villagers also stared at him,
equally surprised.
equally surprised.
Who is this man?
Who is this man?
Said one.
Said one.
I have never seen him before,
I have never seen him before.
said another.
Said another.
Look at his long white beard
Look at his long white beard
and his wrinkled face.
and his wrinkled face.
On hearing this,
On hearing this,
Rip stroked his chin,
Rip stroked his chin,
and to his astonishment,
and to his astonishment,
he found his beard had grown a foot long,
he found his beard had grown a foot long,
and it was all white.
and it was all white.
An old woman walked up to him
An old woman walked up to him
and looked at his face for a moment.
and looked at his face for a moment.
Then she exclaimed,
Then she exclaimed,
"It is Rip Van Winkle!
It is Rip Van Winkle.
Welcome home again, old neighbor!
Welcome home again, old neighbor.
Where have you been these 20 long years?"
Where have you been these 20 long years?
Adapted from
Adapted from
The Legend of Rip Van Winkle
The Legend of Rip Van Winkle
by Washington Irving.
by Washington Irving.
Fun with new words.
Fun with new words.
Circle the correct meaning of the given words.
Circle the correct meaning of the given words.
You may need to use the dictionary.
You may need to use the dictionary.
Idled away,
Idled away,
wasted,
wasted,
rested,
rested,
admired,
admired,
constant,
constant,
coffee,
coffee,
construct,
construct,
steady,
steady,
companion,
companion,
dog,
dog,
stranger,
stranger,
partner,
partner,
realize,
realize,
to understand,
to understand,
to set free,
to set free,
real,
real,
descent,
descent,
to not send,
to not send,
to be decent,
to be decent,
to move down,
to move down,
barrel,
barrel,
a wooden container,
a wooden container,
a musical instrument,
a musical instrument,
a bag,
a bag,
contents,
contents,
to be happy,
to be happy,
the ingredients,
the ingredients,
the index of a book.
the index of a book.
2.
2.
Match the words in the box
Match the words in the box
with their meanings.
with their meaning.
You may take the help of a dictionary.
You may take the help of a dictionary.
Grizzled,
Grizzled,
astonished,
astonished,
foothills,
foothills,
stalked,
stalked,
familiar,
familiar.
near the lower part of a mountain,
Near the lower part of a mountain.
blank,
Black,
with grey hair,
with grey hair.
blank,
Black,
to rub gently,
to rub gently.
blank,
Blank,
to be very surprised,
to be very surprised.
blank,
Blank,
known to you,
known to you.
blank.
Blank.
Let's read.
Let's read.
1.
1.
Say whether the following sentences are
Say whether the following sentences are
true or false.
true or false.
1.
1.
Rip was kind to children,
Rip was kind to children.
blank,
Blank,
blank.
blank.
2.
2.
Rip was a hard-working man,
Rip was a hard-working man.
blank.
Blank.
3.
3.
The short old man on the mountain
The short old man on the mountain
was his constant companion,
was his constant companion.
blank.
Blank.
4.
4.
Rip helped the old man on the mountains
Rip had the old man on the mountains
because he wanted to have a drink from the barrel,
because he wanted to have a drink from the barrel.
blank.
Blank.
5.
5.
Rip was away for 20 years
Rip was away for 20 years
because he was asleep on the mountains,
because he was asleep on the mountains.
blank.
Blank.
6.
6.
The drink from the barrel made him fall asleep
The drink from the barrel made him fall asleep
for 20 years,
for 20 years.
blank.
Blank.
7.
7.
Nobody recognized Rip when he came back
Nobody recognized Rip when he came back
because he had reached the wrong village,
because he had reached the wrong village.
blank.
Blank.
2.
2.
Complete the following sentences.
Complete the following sentences.
1.
1.
Rip's village was situated,
Rip's village was situated.
blank.
Blank.
2.
2.
The children of the village loved him
The children of the village loved him
because,
because
blank.
blank.
3.
3.
Blank
Blank
was his constant companion.
was his constant companion.
4.
4.
The villagers stared at him because,
The villagers stared at him because
blank.
blank.
5.
5.
The old woman who recognized Rip was,
The old woman who recognized Rip was
blank.
blank.
Let's write.
Let's write.
Work in groups of 4.
Work in groups of 4.
1.
1.
What were the strange things
What were the strange things
about the man on the mountains?
about the man on the mountains?
1.
1.
Blank.
Blank.
2.
2,
blank.
blank.
3,
3,
blank.
blank.
4,
4,
blank.
blank.
2.
2.
What kind of a man was Rip Van Winkle?
What kind of a man was Rip Van Winkle?
1.
1.
He was a kind neighbor.
He was a kind neighbor.
2.
2,
Blank.
blank.
3,
3,
blank.
blank.
4,
4,
blank.
blank.
Vocabulary building.
Vocabulary building.
1.
1.
Pick out the names of the games
Pick out the names of the games
mentioned in the story.
mentioned in the story.
Flying kites,
Like kites,
chess,
chess,
9 pins,
9 pins,
shooting marbles,
shooting marbles,
mountain climbing,
mountain climbing,
shooting,
shooting,
skipping,
skipping,
hopping.
hopping.
2.
2.
Sometimes we join two words
Sometimes we join two words
to make a describing word.
to make a describing word.
For example,
For example,
Rip was a good-natured man.
Rip was a good-natured man.
Everybody liked him.
Everybody liked him.
Here are some more describing words.
Here are some more describing words.
Use them to complete the given paragraph.
Use them to complete the given paragraph.
Long-sleeved,
Long-sleeved,
high-heeled,
high-heeled,
well-dressed,
well-dressed,
open-mouthed,
open-mouthed,
sweet-looking,
sweet-looking,
odd-looking,
odd-looking,
part-time.
part-time.
Mrs. Das has a
Mrs. Das has a
blank job in a cloth shop.
blank job in a clothes shop.
Yesterday,
Yesterday,
an blank woman
and blank woman
walked into the shop.
walked into the shop.
She was wearing blank shoes.
She was wearing blank shoes.
A blank dog was with her.
A blank dog was with her.
I want a blank shirt for my dog.
I want a blank shirt for my dog.
Please,
Please,
she said.
she said.
For your dog?
For your dog,
Asked Mrs. Das.
asked Mrs. Das.
Blank in surprise.
Blank in surprise.
Yes,
Yes,
replied the woman.
replied the woman.
I want him to be
I want him to be
blank for my next party.
blank for my next party.
3.
3.
Silent letters.
Silent letters.
What is common?
What is common?
What is common
What is common
in the following groups of words?
in the following groups of words?
1.
1.
Knee,
Knee,
knife,
knife,
not,
not,
no.
no.
2.
1.
Knee,
Knee,
knife,
knife,
not,
not,
no,
no.
blank.
Blank.
2.
2.
Neighbor,
Neighbor,
daughter,
daughter,
fight,
fight,
straight,
straight,
blank.
blank.
3.
3.
Honest,
Honest,
honor,
honor,
our,
our,
ire, blank.
blank.
Try and make more silent letter words.
Try and make more silent letter words.
Nat,
Nat,
blank,
blank,
blank.
blank.
Tongue,
Tongue,
blank,
blank,
blank.
blank.
Chalk,
Chalk,
blank,
blank,
blank.
blank.
Whistle,
Whistle,
blank,
blank,
blank.
blank.
4.
4.
Read the 2 paragraphs given below.
Read the 2 paragraphs given below.
My mother is always awake
My mother is always awake
before anyone else in the family.
before anyone else in the family.
I usually wake up after 6 o'clock.
I usually wake up after 6 o'clock.
I loll around lazily for a few minutes.
I loll around lazily for a few minutes.
Then I get up
Then I get up
and get dressed for school.
and get dressed for school.
At bedtime,
At bedtime,
I read a storybook.
I read a storybook.
When I feel tired,
When I feel tired,
I lie down
I lie down
and go to sleep very quickly.
and go to sleep very quickly.
I fall asleep in no time at all.
I fall asleep in no time at all.
1.
1.
Now find the opposites of the following words
Now find the opposite of the following words
from the paragraphs and complete the table.
from the paragraphs and complete the table.
Awake,
Awake,
asleep,
asleep,
wake up,
wake up,
blank,
blank,
get up,
get up,
blank,
blank,
lazily,
lazily,
blank.
blank.
2.
2.
Fill in the blanks using the words
Fill in the blanks using the words
in the previous questions.
in the previous questions.
A.
A.
Blank and blank quickly.
Blank and blank quickly.
You will be late for school.
You will be late for school.
B.
B.
The baby is blank.
The baby is blank.
Don't make a sound
Don't make a sound
or she will blank.
or she will blank.
C.
She.
Are you still blank?
Are you still blank?
You should be blank now
You should be blank now.
or you will not be able to blank
Or you will not be able to blank
in the morning for school.
in the morning for school.
Let's talk.
Let's talk.
1.
1.
Lots of things must have happened
Lots of things must have happened
in the village when Rip was away.
in the village when Rick was away.
Imagine you are the neighbor
Imagine you are the neighbor
who greets Rip after 20 years.
who greets Rick after 20 years.
One student should act as Rip,
One student had actually
tell Rip about all
tell Rick about all
that had happened in the village after he left.
that had happened in the village after he left.
What happened to his family,
Talk about what happened to his family,
to his friends,
to his friends,
to the other villagers,
to the other villagers,
to the children he played with,
to the children he played with,
the changes in the village,
the changes in the village,
etc.
etc.
Your teacher will guide you.
Your teacher will guide you.
You may start this way.
You will start this way.
Guess what happened on the day you left?
Guess what happened on the day you left?
When you didn't come home in the evening,
When you didn't come home in the evening,
your wife blank.
your wife blank.
2.
2.
Read the speech bubbles.
Read the speech bubbles.
Who walks to school most often?
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 Put them in order.
Put them in order.
Anu.
Anu.
I don't usually walk to school.
I don't usually walk to school.
I often go by cycle.
I often go by cycle.
John.
John.
I never walk to school.
I never walk to school.
I live very far away.
I live very far away.
Arjun.
Arjun.
I always walk to school.
I always walk to school.
I live right opposite the school.
I live right opposite the school.
Minnie.
Minnie.
I sometimes walk to school.
I sometimes walk to school.
At times I take the bus also.
At times I take the bus also.
Najim.
Najim.
I usually walk to school.
I usually walk to school.
It's a nice way to start the day.
It's a nice way to start the day.
Creative writing.
Creative writing.
1.
1.
Write about yourself
Write about yourself
using the following expressions.
using the following expressions.
Do you play in the park?
Do you play in the park?
Go to bed late?
Go to bed late?
Fuss over food?
Fuss over food?
Study hard?
Study hard?
Etc.
Etc.
Always?
Always?
Frequently?
Frequently?
Usually?
Usually?
Often?
Often?
Sometimes?
Sometimes?
Rarely?
Rarely?
For example,
For example,
I always do my work neatly.
I always do my work neatly.
1.
1.
Blank.
Blank.
2.
2.
Blank.
Blank.
3.
3.
Blank.
Blank.
4.
4.
Blank.
Blank.
5. To complete the following exercise.
To complete the following exercise.
Play.
Play.
Stop.
Stop.
Buy.
Buy.
Learn.
Learn.
See.
See.
Meet.
Meet.
Learn.
Learn.
Be.
Be.
Eat.
Eat.
Go.
Go.
Travel.
Travel.
Start.
Start.
Read.
Read.
Visit.
Visit.
1.
1.
Write 3 new things you have done
Write 3 new things you have done
in the last 3 years.
in the last 3 years.
A.
A.
I have started blank.
I have started blank.
B.
B.
Blank.
Blank.
C.
C.
Blank.
Blank.
2.
2.
Write 3 things you have not done
Write 3 things you have not done
in the last 3 years.
in the last 3 years.
A.
A.
I have not played blank.
I have not played blank.
B.